In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Fiverr profile picture. A strong profile photo helps clients recognize and trust you, so let's walk through the process clearly from start to finish. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Fiverr and press Enter. Click the official Fiverr website in the results. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into your account so you can access your profile settings. Once you're on Fiverr, look to the upper right corner of the page for your profile avatar. Click that avatar to open the account menu. From the menu, choose Profile. This takes you to your public profile page, where your current photo is displayed. On your profile photo, hover your mouse over the image and look for the small camera icon that appears. Click that camera icon to start changing your picture. This will open your computer's file picker, so you can select a new image. Choose the new photo you want to use. For best results, pick a clear, well-lit headshot with your face centered. A simple background, natural expression, and sharp focus go a long way. Neutral colors tend to look professional, and avoiding heavy filters or text overlays keeps the photo clean and credible. A square or close-to-square image usually fits the profile frame nicely, and common formats like JPG or PNG work well. After you select the file, confirm your choice. Fiverr will begin uploading your image right away. Keep the page open while it uploads. You'll see a progress indicator as it works. If you're offered a crop or reposition option, adjust the frame so your face is centered and not cut off at the edges. Then apply the change. When the upload finishes, Fiverr saves your new profile picture automatically. You don't need to click an extra save button. Look for the updated photo on your profile to confirm it's set. If you don't see the change right away, give it a moment or refresh the page. Occasionally, it can take a short time for the new image to appear across all parts of the site. That's all there is to it. You opened Fiverr, navigated to your profile, clicked the camera icon on your photo, chose a new image, waited for it to upload, and Fiverr saved it for you automatically. With a polished, professional picture in place, your profile will make a stronger first impression for potential clients.